Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Monday, May 16th, 2016 at about 12:05 a.m., police responded to a shooting in Christoph Road near Garvey Street in Beaufort. Upon arrival, the officers discovered the motionless body of Dwight Amos McFarlane with what appeared to be gunshot wounds, accompanied of a male friend and girlfriend along with a baby in his arms when he got shot. His grandmother, Selena McFarlane, said she was not asleep at the time and heard the sounds of gunshots.
Son went in the balcony. The same fellow that told me that went in the balcony. Then while he was standing in the balcony, a boy passed, and the boy say, the fella's gone already. They passed behind the back of there. So then the fella that come and tell me that tell us, let us go, and we went. He'll show us where Amos is. Then we went out, and he bring us by Kelly behind there, and I saw Amos in the gutter, bleeding.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Don't count your money when sitting at the table. There'll be time enough to count them when the dealing's done. Yeah, I was from Jamaica said, nobody sure how your teeth plastic smile can't work. But for you, your plastic face, man, every time I see your face, we still have to wonder if a plastic surgery that boy have. 246, you do a wicked act. Now, are you kill Amos McFarlane, you know, because you carry a grudge from blood clot basic school. The man has some really psychotic killers them, you know. Yo, you're in a two space, and you and Betty and the whole of you. Now you turn Christian and both you married. But you remember in a 2016 with my youth McFarlane, why you kill the youth? Because you and the youth grow up and you say the youth are bully you. And then you turn bad man and you have a group of 6. Cause you are lead the 6 gang, you know. And the 7 wiping out. And now you are run for safe space and government if it help you. Why you kill Amos McFarlane, my youth? Answer that question, and that you fi answer. And you see Amos family, like me I said, me I make you know say him, they behind that killing there.
He living in Macnick, nobody don't have a trouble with him. What he come and do for his father? It's about a week since maybe must what he must come and do for his father.
No, people I want to know remember say, this was in 2016, and you hear what Granny said. Amos just came back from Martinique and him come back to do some work for him father. So it's like the man them program that you they yo 246.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Big news flash today. Scarecrow fly out down a New York City via JetBlue airline. So Scarecrow the America now. May I tell you something about them pussy? You see that boy them uncle bad in them country. I bet you same thing him can go to New York, go to the blood clot fuckery. Yo, them are send you back in a barrel or a blood clot boat box. Foreign different than blood clot St. Lucia. Foreign different than Trinidad. Foreign different than Jamaica. Scarecrow, may I track you. Boy, we make you understand, you know, how them super criminal, yeah, get visa. All them super criminal, yeah, get visa. That's one thing that puzzle me all the time. But as me say, nothing set in a stone and nothing really surprise me. It just puzzle me. How super criminal like him get visa for fly down New York. And now you have some retarded genius in St. Lucia saying that the police solve this case of these two guys killing each other before me. Now, you see how ignorant and pathetic a lot of the people think that. Now, this case has been solved from this morning. From this morning, everybody knew what happened. This is not no big technical case. The man go for shoot a man and the gun all stuck and cut up the whole bumper clad finger. It's actually two bird brains. So I've been solved this case just for the ignorant, low budget people. You understand? We just make you know say countryman upon the job. You understand? I only need to get a life. Because on the feel that I am not St. Lucian, so I shouldn't win or I shouldn't know. And that's some big fuckery. You lose him life, but gonna turn it into a charade. I don't take none of these killings lightly. And every night I may have to sleep and listen to people and bring forth their story to try and get justice for their family. With that, all the naysayers, do me a favor, go ahead and eat some shit and leave me alone. Let's go.
Just 2 weeks after a July 23rd double homicide in Bruceville, Viewfort, another shooting in that area has claimed the lives of 2 young men. Emergency personnel and police were summoned to the scene of the gruesome discovery of 2 dead bodies in the wee hours of Saturday, the 6th of August at Faith Park in Bruceville, Viewfort. The dead men have since been identified by police as Trent Travis Eugene, also known as Jupin of Burns Library, and Clint Felix, also known as Black Boy of Meekwood. Nearby residents had reported hearing gunshots being fired in Bruceville area before discovering Eugene and Felix's bodies. One of the victims was reportedly found with a gunshot wound to the head, and the other reportedly suffered from a gunshot wound to the chest. The double homicides, on the heels of the previous double homicide, have sparked concern about a possible gang war in the area. There are suspicions that the double homicide was retaliation for the July crime where 2 young men were gunned down by a masked assailant.
No more on talk right here, sir. And at the end of this clip, when you hear what the news reporter said, there has been gang warfare and 2 men get licked down a while back, and this seems like a reprisal for the killing. Now remember, this is taking place in 2016, you know, and the news reporter was right, because the people tell them what's going on. And guess what? Two-Face, Plastic Face 6 is responsible for this one too. These 2 guys, they got killed in a banana yard. You understand? And the killer is a youth named Cookie and another youth. And like I said, this is one of Plastic Face 6 program. So, as you can see, in 2016, Plastic Face was very active and he was moving towards the 7M. You see what I'm saying? No, I'm quite sure. No, we're in 2024. Enough of the 6M dead out. You understand? I know I'm run for the hills. Listen, I am doing this to show what was going on and how them youth are flex. And me are going a deep inside. Now, Cookie, he was responsible. Because I did a video about this before. There was a Trini Indian dreadlocks man and a Venezuelan that got killed. And Face was behind that. And Cookie is the man who did that killing also, as well as them 2 youth, yeah. So, Police, if you don't solve it, me a go on a good lead. Plastic phase 6, there is no way him can go dip in some water and then over for the hills in a safe space and say that he is reformed. You understand? Me know man, we do less than that. Up to now them still can't get a blood clot job. You understand? So, listen, whatever he's doing, and una do for him, una should have do it for the rest of the population. Give the man them, make the man them reform then, if him can reform. For real. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.